Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda, loving what I say, saying what I mean, and delighting audiences near and far for over 3 years on YouTube. What? That's right. I'm getting to be an old timer here on the YouTube. I mean, not really an old timer, but you know, not a newbie, that's for sure. And today I am going to do a look with the new 420 palette that I got. It's not a new palette in the world. It's been around for a while, but it is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at the holographic shift. It is beautiful. And I can't wait. And I'm wearing the perfect color sweater to put it on. And I just can't wait to see what I do, because it's got some really cool bright colors. And of course I'm going somewhere. I always put makeup on when I'm going somewhere. And I'm going to start in the crease with Dank. That is super pigmented. I'm going to go in real light with that. It's kind of an olivey, grainy kind of brown. Where's my little clip? Instead of fighting my hair, just use the clip. It's that simple. That is looking muddy as hell. Oh my God, what have I done? Will I be able to pull this off? It looks like a crazy person has attacked my face. I'm gonna use a tissue and soften this up. It is just too harsh for me. Let's see. That is interesting. This is pigmented as fuck. I couldn't think of a better word than that. It's got a little bit of kick up in the pan, but it goes on and on and on and on. For sure. Look at these colors. I should have started with Hash. It's much more of a neutral, lighter color. I just was crazy. I'm just crazy with this palette. I guess I'm gonna go in next with Chronic. So pigmented. I don't know if I'm going to be able to save this look. This palette is kicking my ass. This palette is just pounding me into submission. I am really working hard to not look like a crazy person. This looks like a crazy person. And I don't have that much time to like start over or anything, so I'm gonna have to just keep rolling with it. So I'm going to now go in with Faded. Oh, a lot of kick up with Faded. It's really pretty though. Wow, this is so dark. So dark. Now I'm gonna go in to Shotgun. Oh yeah, that's much better. It almost looks like pollen. Looks pretty cool. Let me get a blending brush and see what I can do. Soften everything up. Looks like a train wreck. Let's try liner and lashes and mascara and let's see what happens. I'll be right back. And voila! I think I pulled it together with the liner and mascara. Not too shabby. It's a little more intense than I was like expecting, but that's okay. A little intensity never hurt anyone. I'm going to use a deep dark lipstick with this, and I'm going to use number 50 Voyager from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. There we go. We got it together. A beautiful, deep look for a lovely evening. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.